Hey guys, Charles the Tech in Training here. Today we'll be talking about when your filters need to be cleaned. Let's say that you've already tried plunging, or let's say that you've been looking at the gauge here and it's over on the red, or just at minimum, it's the end of every week. As best practice, like we like to say, at the end of every job, you should always try to give that filter at least a quick clean down. What we'll do is we'll take these two HEPA filter connectors off. You don't want to go to this clamp. We have 3 clamps up top here. And then you open it up to the goodness, and that right there is the goodness. You can see some heavy packed dirt in there, so today we'll be going over how to clean that. It's pretty simple. I actually just like to use a carpenter's pencil. In this case, a Bona carpenter's pencil. And a vacuum. That's really all you need to clean this effectively and efficiently. You don't want anything with a sharp edge, like let's say like a screwdriver can work, but anything sharper than that, like scissors or anything like that, it's best practice not to do that with, because you'll cut the filter. So now go ahead and turn on this vacuum. And you can see I'll start with each channel. I'll go through each channel. Kind of run it down with it. Run the vacuum down with the pencil. And you can already tell from these 3 that I just did, night and day difference. Another place that gets pretty dirty is up here. Just take your vacuum, run around the top, just real quick. That cleans it up really nice. So if you don't want to do that, or maybe all your vacuums on the site are being used, another way to do this is a backpack brush, something like this. If you only have your backpack with you, and maybe you don't have a carpenter's pencil, a paint stick, or anything else. Another way to clean that is compressed air. Obviously you don't want to be right here. You can kind of separate these from their channels if you get too close with that compressed air. So you kind of want to stand back right about here and just kind of clean those out. Ideally, it's not best to do this inside. You should be doing it outside, keeping that dust containment true to your company. Say that, maybe you push too hard with a flathead screwdriver and you damage the filter, you should replace it. Shouldn't need to replace it other than when it is damaged. So these 2 HEPA filters, they're really low maintenance, and unless they're damaged, you really won't even have to ever touch these, be it cleaning or whatnot. They shouldn't even be dirty. They should always stay clear unless something's damaged. At that point, you'll need to change those out. That's all for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. We look forward to continuing virtual training with you all.